Hello everyone, in this video let's understand what is stacked column chart and how to create that. Stacked column chart is like pretty similar to bar chart. That it was horizontal bar, here it's a column. Stacked column chart used to represent the total values across different categories or groups while also showing the contribution of individual subcategories within each group vertically. That it was horizontally, but here it will be divided into a different segments vertically. We're gonna use this stacked column chart whenever we want to analyze one numerical variable with two categorical variables. So if I'm interested in finding region-wise sales, I can go with a column chart. What if I'm interested in knowing region-wise sales with respect to different categories? In that case, obviously we go with a stacked column chart. What stacked column chart will do, it just divides each region into different segments based on categories. Now let's see how to create the stacked column chart using Tableau. Well, so I'll just select a region and I'll select a sales. Okay, I'm gonna select a column chart here. Oh, sorry. Well, I want it in horizontal. I got it in a horizontal V. I want it in a vertical. So let me just swap this. Yeah, alright. So now, this is a region-wise sales. Clearly shows that West region is giving higher sales. But I'm interested in knowing this region-wise sales with respect to different category. So let me select category and now I'll just select this stacked bars. So it clearly shows that it's a stacked column chart. Each column is divided into three segments. And from this graph, you can interpret what exactly it is telling you about, the region-wise sales with respect to different categories. If you want to format, just right click, go to a format and just do the formatting. This is all about, stacked column chart. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.